Hello, I'm back again after a very long time, and we're making some KFC fried chicken, crispy, very crunchy, delicious. So I have some chicken. I put some black pepper. I also added some garlic and ginger. You can also use garlic and ginger powder. Yeah, but I had to grate mine because I don't have the powder. Then I added a bit of salt. Then I'm adding some rosemary, or you can use thyme. So I had to like, I don't know, crush them with my hands. I don't know if that's what they say. Then I added some chicken seasoning and then paprika. Yeah, exactly that's it way I used. And I use my hand to mix because nah, I'm not suffering using that wooden spoon. It takes time. So I mixed my chicken. You can marinate your chicken overnight, but me, or maybe for some few hours, but me, I didn't have time. Yeah, so I used normal baking flour. I put some salt, a little bit of chicken seasoning, some paprika, and then garlic and ginger. You can also use the powder. Then I also added a little bit of starch, any starch that you really have. Yeah, me, I use corn starch. So this is going to be used for coating, but I later realized that the paprika is not enough. It wasn't like really, I could not see that there's paprika in the flour. So I added in just a bit of paprika, and then back to our chicken. I had to bring it back. I had to put it back in the flour to coat it. And as you can see, I have another container full of water, just water, nothing else. Yeah. So I hope this is not confusing you. So also those put the fry everywhere in every corner of the chicken. Yeah, so you have to shake the chicken to remove the excess fry, and then they put it in water for like 1 minute. I had to put it in another container in a pot because the other one was small. The chickens were not really being soaked in water very well. So after soaking the chickens in water for like a minute, you have to put them back in that fry, same fry. You don't have to change it. Yeah, but make sure you use the road because this it takes so much from. So I'm now coating the chickens again, and then you have to shake it to remove the excess fat. Yeah, and then put it in the cooking oil. So you have to make sure that your oil is ready, is already hot. Yeah, it's already hot enough to fry the chicken. Yeah, so these are my chickens. Oh my god, look how they're looking like KFC already. KFC in the house. Did you see how easy it is? Just make sure that you marinate your chicken if you don't have time. And here you have to keep on turning the chicken. As you can see, I'm cooking. It's not even medium, but again, it's not raw. The heat is like between medium and raw. I don't know how to explain that, but also you have to cover your chicken because these chickens were raw. They were not parboiled or something. So you have to cover them with the lid to make sure that it's going to cook. You don't want to eat raw chicken, y'all. Yeah. So I had to cook my chicken for like 20 minutes. So every after like 3 minutes, I had to open and then change the side. The side which was on at the bottom, I had to put it up. Those, yeah. Make sure that all the sides cook, and then cover again to make sure that your chickens are going to cook. Do not cook on high heat. If you cook on high heat, my friend, it will burn and it won't cook inside. So this is my little chicken for tasting. The taster. I had to taste though. The way this chicken was looking good, I could not wait. So I had to put take that little piece and just taste. And it was good. Yeah. And it was cooked. Oh, it was so good. Yeah, so here I'm removing my chickens because they were already cooked. And if you can see that the bubbles are not that big, like the time when you put the chickens in the cooking oil. So as the chickens cook, the bubbles become smaller. The oil bubbles, yeah, the way the oil be bubbling, yeah, the bubbles become smaller. Can you see them? Okay, KFC. So why do you go to KFC when you can make this recipe at home at a very cheap, affordable price, not cheap, affordable price. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We already hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.